Here is our MEL528 fingerprint padlock solution. Now we can see here is the fingerprint module and here is the LED light, and we can see the back side. Here is the micro USB interface, and we can see here M- and M+. Here is for the motor, and here is the K1 and K2 is for the key, and here this two is for the battery. Now we can see this side is for the battery, and you can, when you use this padlock solution, you can add the motor and add the battery like this, and it will work. We don't provide the motor and battery, and we just provide this padlock solution.